right, so we are back for another episode of Chainsaw Man, and I keep forgetting to check exactly how many episodes there are in the first season. I'm kind of thinking because the animation quality is so good, probably closer to 12 or 13. Um, I'll check right now for sure. Last episode, so not too much happened. Kind of stuff happened. Like I say kinda only because not too much happened with Power and Denji. They were just kind of like up to their little hijinks, right? A lot did happen with Aki, who at this point is our favorite character, hands down, best character. I don't care what anyone says. Right now, Aki is the best character. Um, I did just want to. So one thing that I kept saying in my reactions, I kept calling Kobani Crazy Girl because well, one, I was having a hard time remembering her actual name, but I I mean, so initially when we first met Kobani, she the first thing that we heard about her was that she was incredibly powerful, um, and she was just kind of like untrained a little bit. And so I kind of expected her to be great right off the bat, and it turned out that wasn't the case, or maybe that isn't the case now, but it'll be the case later. It's just she was just kind of just like always like freaking out. So and then she was just like splurting her back history, right? And so I kind of defaulted to just like calling her crazy girl. Um I do remember her name now, so I won't be calling her crazy girl anymore. But I did just want to like reiterate like why I was calling her crazy girl, not only because I was having a hard time remembering her name, but because like she was just kind of like sporadic the entire time, and I just like in my head I was just like, well, why? Like if she's so powerful, why is she behaving this way? Um, but that was that. I am really interested to see how the future demon or future devil and Aki's contract plays out. I don't know exactly how deep into the future he can see. The future devil told us that Aki is going to have a horrible future, which we know he is only going to live for 2 more years. So I kind of wonder, like, how much worse can it get than only living like that short amount of time, right? But we'll see. Let's just jump right into another reaction. Chainsaw Man, season one. I did just see that this is actually the season finale. Wow, only 12 episodes. Okay, that sucks. There's so many like questions that we have. We still don't have a proper gauge of the power balance. There's still so many characters that I want to know more about.
長い付き合いになりそうだから
Will
譲って
Denji
ほ
just
しい
keep getting his
な。
ass kicked for the rest of the series? Oh man.
一本だけ吸ってやる。一生で吸うタバコはこの一本だけだ。
やったー、火つけて
Okay.
あげる。
未成年に吸わせるなんて最低な先輩だな。
未成年なの？
Wait, how old's Aki?
じゃあ吸っちゃダメに決まってんじゃん。
Oh yeah, because you have a problem preying on underage people.
残せ。じゃあこの一本は私が預かっておこう。君が大人になって何かに寄りかかりたくなったら返して。
Okay. I'll be a good friend and worsen that addiction. Dan, did he just go? Oh. What happened? Did she or did the devil let him go? Even the lolly is surprised. What? Oh, hey, there it is. It kind of sucks that it was introduced a second before it became relevant. It would have been cooler if that was introduced a couple episodes ago, but whatever. It's kind of just like the mangaka being like, "Oh, by the way, this happened," And that's why this
幽霊
is
の役割
important.
なんてのはないから
Uh,
恐怖心を見る姫の先輩が言っていたことだ
wait, I don't understand. If it can't see, then how did it know that was Aki?
もうすぐ俺も行きます
Actually, a lot of questions about if it can't see. A lot of questions. Was that mistranslated or?
Heavy.
殺すな
Hey, hey, hey. Again, I have no idea how to gauge the power system in this, because she was like 2 episodes ago, she was the
小
strongest,
紅
and now
お
she's
前は
kind
ど
of
うし
just
て
like,
公安に残ったんだ
I don't know, man.
もうすぐボーナスが出るので。
Are these two sneakerheads? What?
はあ、肉は肉じゃろ。豚も牛も人も同じじゃ。
全然違うね俺たちの仕事はサムライソードを捕まえることだ捕まえても食うんじゃねえぞ
Wow. Oh, wrong floor.
こいつら気づいてね大きな声出すなよ
Oh, come on. You shouldn't have told her that.
わしの名はパワー。
Oh.
こいつらなら勝てる。勝負じゃ。デンジ、わしについてこい。後ろは任せ
Oh,
るぞ。
okay, so she's lost so much in the recent past that she kind of wants to feel like she can win a fight.
どんなもんだ。わしは逃げてない。気高い。美しい。強敵じゃ。デンジ、見てろ。そして言い伝えろ。パワーが一番最強だ。
Anyway. Oh
出
boy.
たなもみあげマン
待て待て待て少し話さないか
あ
お
Um
前の態度次第じゃ俺たちは投降するつもりだ俺たちはただ怒りを収めたいだけなんだ
are they afraid of Makima or
デンジお前はこいつらの仲間と俺のじいちゃんを殺したその償いをしてほしい
てめえのお仲間もじいちゃんもゾンビなってたから殺したんだぜ
嘘つくんじゃねえ学歴のねえバカすぐ嘘つきやがる
what? Why wouldn't you believe him?
それが仮に本当だったとしてだゾンビも元は人間そいつらを殺してお前は心が痛まないのか
全然
No, they were zombies.
俺も沢渡りにいろいろされてな心臓が刀の悪魔になっちまってるみてえだが
Katana devil. I was like, is it a machete devil or a katana devil? All right, now we know.
お前に限っては心がもう人じゃねえんだよ少しでも人の良心が残ってるなら俺たちにおとなしく殺されねえか
Okay, yeah. Sure, bro. Because that's gonna happen.
やだ
Yeah, of course. What? do
じゃあ切り殺してやるよ。
やってみろよベー
All right, we're gonna get to finish the fight now.
俺を切り殺すんじゃねえのかよ
Come on, don't get your ass kicked again. It's the season finale. Come on, come on, come on. I'm sorry about the camera shake. Opa! Okay, you just kind of shook it off. Fine, I guess.
前よりは動けるみたいだが。デンジ、お前は何のために戦ってる？
この生活を守るためかな。
公安様はそんな大層な暮らししてんのか？
口うるせえのとわがままなのがいるけどまあそこそこ気に入ってるぜ。だからさっさとてめえ倒してマキマさんに褒めてもらうんだ。
Okay.
お前は俺には勝てね
あもう勝ったつもりでいんのか？俺はまだ死んでねえぞ。
えよ。雑魚が！
I mean, I don't know. Like, we haven't gotten any kind of history on this guy having any kind of crazy training or anything like that. Okay. Oh, okay.
終わりだ。もう戦えないだろう。な、デンジ。
Special ability time.
死ぬ前に謝罪しろ。
I mean, your grandfather was kind of an asshole.
まだ戦えるぜ。頭んチェーンソーが残ってるからね。
バカが！
What the heck? A high kick? Please
じ
no.
いちゃんにも教わらなかったか。引き時ってやつをよ。
Oh, okay.
じいちゃんに謝罪しろ。
I was worried he was gonna actually slice him up with that. What's gonna happen now?
丁寧に頭狙ってくれてよ。あんがとなバーカ。
Alright. Wait, what?
ジジイに教わらなかったか？獣が狩人の言葉信じるなってな。
Oh, a new ability. Oh, okay. Nice, nice. I thought it would be like a bullshit reason for him winning, but yeah, he powered up. All right. He's alive? How? How?
目が覚めたか。やっぱあんた俺と同じなんだな。てめえの手の刀抜いたらさ、真っ二つの体もくっついたぜ。
殺してぶっ殺してや
ら負け犬の声はでけえな。警察がてめえを迎え来るまでここでじーっと待ってなきゃなんだけどよ、俺はいろいろ納得できないんだよね。
Okay.
てめえは姫の先輩を殺した。面のいい美人がてめえのせいで世界から一人減ったんだ。
She was also your
な
only
のに
friend.
てめえは反省もせず一生刑務所暮らし。それじゃ俺がすっきりしねえ。
Just kill him.
お前には何もできねえだろう。公安の犬風罪がよ。
Oh my god.
今から大会を開く。
What?
大会？あ、いいとこに来たな。
Oh, hey!
こちら4課早川。時計館前線路内にて拘束済みの目標を発見。応援求む。
早川の先輩も参加するか？最強の大会によ。
お前は何を言ってんだ。
こいつは姫の先輩を弾で撃った。
Mm-hmm.
だからこいつも弾を撃たれるべきだろ。だから大会を開く。お互いにこいつの金玉を蹴っていって、警察が来るまでに一番でけえ悲鳴を出させたやつの勝ち。
My god. That's the dumbest thing, dude.
あ？
Just
呼んで
kill
んのか？
him.
俺たちの仕事はこいつを捕まえることだ。いたぶって嘘を晴らすことじゃない。そんなことしたって姫の先輩は喜ばない。
I mean, she's kind of crazy herself, so she might have, if we're being totally honest. I swear this moment would have meant so much more if that cigarette was introduced even like 2 episodes ago. The fact that it was introduced 30 seconds before it became relevant. Ah.
勝ったら何くれんだ。
そりゃもちろんこいつの玉金や。
おい待て待て待て。
Kobani. Kobani.
姫野先輩、天国まで聞こえるか。俺たちからあんたへのレクイエムだ。
今回のテロ事件は沢渡茜という元民間の
shoot,
デビル
it's
ハンタ
ending?
ーが発端でした。彼女が銃の悪魔と契約し、銃をヤクザに流しました。その対価として沢渡はチェンソーの悪魔の心臓を要求していたそうです。
Huh?
それでなぜ沢渡はチェンソー
Please tell us. I am dying to know why
それ
he's so
が引き
important.
出す前に
Oh, come on. Are you kidding me?
自殺。
銃の悪魔との契約
Ah.
で自動的に自殺したのかもしれません。今回の事件でビル内から銃の悪魔の肉片を 1.4 キロ押収。我々公安が持っている5キロの肉片と合わせた結果、ついに肉片が本体に向かって動きました。
ついにか。どこに向かって動いた？
Damn, fucking Aki dressing exactly in Japanese street leisure. Oh my lord. I mean, the dude knows how to dress himself. Man, oh, I can't believe the season is this short. I thought for sure it would be like at least 24 episodes. I mean, at least they're finally getting along, right? They just have to be like crazy drunk together to get along. But that's fine. Baby steps. Alright, Power's not throwing food. Denji's not being extra messy. There we go. Oh. A cliffhanger? He is wasted. Holy crud. Oh, did he pick up smoking as a habit now? Yeah. I kind of have to wonder, like, when you're that drunk, does it even, like, do you even feel that cigarette? I guess we never found out why Denji is so important. Uh, okay, third ending. Okay. Who is this? It looks like Denji.
いつも見る夢だ。いつも見て、いつも忘れる夢。デンジ。落ちた。落ちた。出てこいよ。夢の中くらい撫でさせてくれ。デンジ。絶
Hoshida.
対に開けちゃダメだ。
Adore. Four endings? Come on. What is this? You can't. Four endings?
デンジ君はさ、田舎のネズミと都会のネズミ、どっちがいい？
Four endings? Come on. Like I get that you need a cliffhanger to build anticipation for season 2. Which has it been announced? I don't know. It probably hasn't. I just missed it. But 4 endings, 4 cliffhangers. Come on. Come on. That's if I'm being totally honest, that's kind of desperate, unnecessarily desperate. Obviously, the series is popular enough to have people coming back. I don't know why you need 4 cliffhangers, but whatever. Um, let's see. So we still don't know Makima's intentions. Her last scene was her implying that she knows where the devil is going, and it kind of cut off. Like we're supposed to be like, oh, I bet we know. We kind of really don't know. I mean, I guess my best guess would be the the gun devil is coming towards them because of Denji, which I mean, we could have just said. As far as like the cigarette that Aki smoked, again, I don't like that it was introduced literally 5 seconds before it became relevant, and it was just kind of just like focused on super hard throughout the rest of this episode, even to the point where at the end he got rid of it. It's kind of just like, okay, we just came across this information this episode, and you're already getting rid of it this episode. Uh, I don't know. I don't know. Power, I do like that she felt kind of like incompetent after all the times that she's run away and gotten her ass kicked. So she kind of saw these weak enemies and decided, like, hey, I'll kill these guys because I can, right? So that's cool. That's kind of true to her character. Um, the ball kicking competition, I don't know why they didn't just kill that guy. Um, Although I do like how Denji defeated him. I was kind of worried it would be like some kind of like bullshit power up, like anime usually does, but it totally makes sense if he can make like 3 of his limbs sprout chainsaw, he could probably make the other ones to sprout chainsaws too. So that was cool. That was really cool. I didn't expect that. Very cool twist. Um, the Snake Girl, did she actually kill herself? Like we met her 2 episodes ago. We know nothing about her. She kind of came in like she was the strongest thing. She has probably spoken a paragraph in those 2 episodes, and then she automatically just ices herself. I, like, that can't be all that we see of her. If that is all that we see of her, then what a complete fumble. Not only because she was a poorly written character, but because this poorly written character is the reason that a supposedly important character, Eye Patch, died. Um, it kind of seems like a very sloppy, if I'm being honest. But you know, sometimes that happens in anime. End of the day, these guys are like amateur writers, right? So they're kind of they're kind of just moving along. I still really did enjoy this season, this series. There's still a lot that I want to find out, like exactly what does Makima want with Denji, um, because she seems to be more focused on Denji than literally anything else. Like, why? Why is the Chainsaw Devil so important? He's always getting his ass kicked. Why? you um, what's gonna happen with Aki and the future devil and his supposed 2 years of life left? I don't know. Aki is the character that I care about the most, so that's the one I'm really interested in. But yeah, I guess hopefully season 2, if it hasn't been announced yet, will be announced soon, and we'll tune in for that. But that will do it for season 1 of Chainsaw Man. Thank you for tuning in. Go ahead and please drop a like and subscribe for more reactions. Also, I stream on Twitch regularly at around 8:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So if you need some background sounds, I got you. But if this is all you see of me, my name's Adam. Thank you for checking out Jupiter Machine, and as always, steal credit cards, hurt your loved ones, plant some flowers. Happy holidays, everybody. Until next time, bye bye. Bye bye.